Well, it's not all sunshine and roses here in Vietnam, let me tell you. In case you don't notice, I am wearing my Columbia jacket with a t-shirt underneath. It's wet and cold. However, I did go get a massage, and that was very nice. And now I am going to have pho because it's cold. So I'm just waiting for that. And there's a kitty. Oh, look at that. Here it comes. Warm and delicious. Get my 2 sticks. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Enjoy.
I will. Thank you. All right. So here we have the lettuce, the lime. So now we're gonna make it. I like lots of vegetables. So down. Lime. And now we mix it up and eat it. I ate here once before, more expensive dish, and it was very good. And I took half of it home because I couldn't finish it all. This one's $1.20 or something. It's 40,000. So it's still very cheap. A little bit of salty peppers with vinegar. Taste to it. And now to eat. Delicious. Especially in a cold, wintry day. I drive motorcycle, but I was drizzling, but I had my rain parked up. So on the way back, I brought a car that was basically triple the price. The motorcycle I drive was 14, and the car I think was like 40, 42.